Alright, guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer? We're trying to grow the Instagram also, so please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Pew.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Silk Boss movie that I want to just drop. Silk Boss movie. I'm in the mood for reaction. I was doing some reactions, and I see this one pop up on my recommendation. So, let's go, Silk. Let's go. See what you got.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Bad, bro.
But the bomb buckler carry charger, where you there?
Bro, remember me have a youth and brain is a house me a buy that.
Bro, me the bomb buckler carry 24 card to charge it. But the bomb buckler carry charger, where you there?
Yo, the G them actually link up. Yo, look at myself, J. Look at myself, G. Yo, they link up now. Passing that piece.
Bad, bro.
But the bomb buckler carry charger, where you there?
Bro, remember me have a youth and brain is a house me a buy that.
Bro, me the bomb buckler carry 24 card to charge it. But the bomb buckler carry charger, where you there? House can't skip.
Is that carry in the night?
Bomb buckler gas station charge me the right of the car mark and hold it about there. So the right of the car mark me the father. How where you do? Where you come to me go fuck it out?
Me a forward that camera.
Oh no, where you come charge it?
Beast. Us can skate.
Me no want nobody to come tell me about bomb
Creative, big
buckler
up.
buy house before bees. You what kind of fuck with that?
Yo, this is some free.
Come tell me about
Is
bomb
this-
buckler buy.
This is free. This is free promotion right here. Is it free promotion or this is promotion? This is big promotion, bro. The KBI Auto, yes. Traders and transport. We buy, we sell, we trade, we do all this new use, whatever. 2A Ladymus Grove Road. If you know where that is, you know where that is. The number upon it too. I'm not gonna know more. No go down the research.
House before bees. You
Yo.
what kind of fuck with that? House can bomb buckler skate on the toll. House can drink. House can put it buckler.
Name French in Italian that.
House
Now, Italian that turn gate, man.
can drink. House can put it. Yeah. You know tell me
I'm calling
fuck
for a box.
fuck yeah man. House can go KFC go buy girl things.
For me life a movie. Chain bust down on me suit a Gucci.
Yeah.
Gala say me sweet, musty fruity loops this.
Yeah.
Pan the toll road, Ben scoop me shoot it with a bitch a bougie. She a tell me she choose me. Give her a brick and say a man's a moose bitch. She bust a smile and then
Blood clot. Hold on. Yeah,
bro.
we can see a man some moose.
But the bomb
Yo.
buckler carry charger, where you there?
Bro, remember me have a youth and brain is a house me a buy that.
Bro, me the bomb buckler carry 24 card to charge it. But the bomb buckler carry charger, where you there? House can't skip. If I see bomb buckler, house like a bomb buckler gas station charge me the right of the car mark and hold it about there. So the right of the car mark me the father.
Man say what
How
about
where
there,
you
so.
do? Where you come to me go fuck it out?
Me a forward that camera.
Oh no, where you come charge it?
Me no want nobody to come tell me about bomb buckler buy house before bees. You what kind of fuck with that? House can bomb buckler skate on the toll.
for me
House
life a
can drink.
movie.
Me like all them tie in the original viral clip where them use before them actually think about getting him in the video. Cause me this is something on TikTok where he must say, yo, where my money down? Bree and Silk Boss or pay my money. So me like how them actually involve Jaden in the video and actually make him play a part in the video. You see me like that. Big up yourself, Silk, for that.
House can bomb buckler skate on the toll.
For me
House
life a
can drink.
movie.
House can put it. Yeah. You know tell me no fuck him. Fuck yeah man. House can go
90 man, I'm
KFC
shot
go
the
buy
video
girl
and I
things.
can't
For me life a movie. Chain bust down on me suit a Gucci. Gala say me sweet, musty fruity loops this. Pan the toll road, Ben scoop me shoot it with a bitch a bougie. She a tell me she choose me. Give her a brick and say a man's a moose bitch. She bust
Man some yeah, I can see a man some. If you don't know who man some, you don't go look it up. He's the richest man in the history of mankind. Yeah, he's the richest. Unless Elon Musk go on, the man is rich like Mansa Musa them, brother. Yeah, so I'm tell you, say, yo, him gear a brick and say, bitch, a man some moose, I know. Reach out, niche.
She I tell me she choose me. Give her a brick and say a man some moose bitch. She bust a smile and then answer smoothly. Girl a popular get wild and woozy. Fuck up them hype and them wife from a groupie. Baby girl and half afraid. Remember I said the bird a lame. Wine up your so bust a puppy tail. Me love it when you make your back to shake.
That's the wine up and bust a puppy tail. Still boss, you're a talented youth, bro. I think you've been too laid back in the music business. We need to see more of you, bro. What you dealing?
Hype and them wife from a groupie. Baby girl and half afraid. Remember I said the bird a lame. Wine up your so bust a puppy tail. Me love it when you make your back to shake. Your pussy heavy like a hand grenade. Suck my cocky make you slap your babes. Fuck your hard make you ejaculate. I water works until I flood the place. A millions me having and me save. This me that shit. Me life a movie. Chain bust down and me suit a Gucci. Girl I say me sweet must see fruity loops this. Pan it to a road bend scoop me shoot it with a bitch a bougie. She a tell me she choose me. Give her a brick and say a man some moose this. She bust a smile and then answer smoothly. Girl a popular get wild and woozy. Swear say them hype but them girl I'm a groupie. Them girl I'm a groupie. Yeah, I'm rich like Bill Gates. Spoil TV, don't worry about my skincare. You know see?
Me rich like Bill Gates. Spoil TV, don't worry about my skincare.
Yeah, I'm rich like Bill Gates. Spoil TV, don't worry about my skincare. You know see beats with the ice on the silk chain. Girl, I never cocky say she like how my kids taste. Whoever I lay.
You say him like how him kids taste. She's swallowing. She's digesting.
It's with the ice on the silk chain. Girl, I never cocky say she like how my kids taste. Whoever I late get a shot in a rib cage. Way that why I make me fly go visit space. Skin bite out like salt, it ain't clear. Fat pussy girl come brace for me thing babes. For my life a movie. Chain bust down and me suit a Gucci. Girl I say me sweet must see fruity loops this. Pan it to a road bend scoop me shoot it with a bitch a bougie. She a tell me she choose me. Give her a brick and say a man some moose this. She bust a smile and then answer smoothly. Girl a popular get wild and woozy. Swear say them hype but them girl I'm a groupie.
Man say girl I'm groupie dog.
Them girl I'm a groupie. Them girl I'm a groupie. See man some moose this. Move it. Girl say we can start up the loaded.
That has to big up herself, Sean. Never stop. Queen Ice Cream.
Yo, King Creative. Mad.
Mad. Hear me I said though. One fault me find with it. Jaden should have featured more in the video. Throughout the video, not just the intro. Cause once him sell the car and him gone, we not see him again. You see me? Him should have featured more. Remember Jaden the star, you know? Remember Jaden the star. You know, like it or lump it, Jaden is a star, bro. Jaden a doing thing, fam. Big up yourself, Jaden. Yes, you made your first music video appearance. Yes, hope to see some more. Cause you're a character in your own right. Yes, beast can, Oz can skate. even though I fuck it talk still. Even though, yeah, you don't know. You have to buy a house. You have to buy a house. I buy my house last year, so you have to buy a house, dog. You see me? Beast is nice, but beast value depreciate. But it's not about that anyway. Still, boss, what go on with it, bro? We need to see more of you up on the music scene and drop music video bangers like you did before. What go on? Where you dealing? Where you dealing? Come in, sit, boss. Take up back the work rate, you know, and start do your work, brother. Come in, bro. I your job this, brother. You get paid for this, so do it. You see me? Yeah. Big up yourself, Ice Cream, big up yourself, production team, big up on yourself, me and one, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Alright? You mean like my movie? Yeah, peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.